Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Shop Sophia Holistics, where tradition meets wellness. Here we celebrate authentic Jamaican remedies, natural self-care, and community healing. From our farm to your home, everything we share is crafted with love, culture, and the wisdom of our ancestors. Step into a space of wellness, tradition, and holistic living. Welcome, guys. So, guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, let's deep dive into how castor beans came to Jamaica. The origin of the plant. Castor bean, otherwise called Rhinisus communis, is originally native to Africa and India. It is widely used in ancient Egypt for medicinal and spiritual purposes, example, purgative, lamp oil, and even embalming. It arrived in Jamaica during the transatlantic slave trade, that's between 1500s to the 1800s. The castor beans were brought to Jamaica by enslaved Africans who carried not only the seeds but also their ancestral knowledge of natural healing. So you see where castor oil is coming from. The plant thrives in Jamaica because Jamaica is a tropical island, and that's what the plant loves. Lots of sun, lots of sunshine, tropical weathers. The plant flourishes. I remember when I was a kid, I used to see the plants everywhere, but of course I didn't know what it was for, what it was used for. We just thought it was wild bushes. That's how we would describe it back in the days, back in my days. That's way back when. Anyway, the transformation into oil. Enslaved Africans, they began roasting and pounding the beans, then boiling them to extract the rich dark oil. And I myself, I have seen the process of how the castor oil is transformed from beans. Matter of fact, I've seen it from the farm to the beans to the process of getting it from pounding it and getting it from beans and extracting the oil that we all so love today. This became known because of the dark richness of it. It became known as Jamaican black castor oil, and it is different from the clear castor oil